Home is a story. This is your story of doing something new, finding a home, and creating memories.
So we've created a team that ranks in the top 1% to help guide you in your real estate decisions.
Buying and selling real estate is one of the biggest decisions that people make in their lifetime. Who you trust with that decision is a really big deal.
From our first meeting to the closing table and beyond, our clients have peace in knowing that real estate with the Farr Group is real estate done right.
This is so much more than a job.
It's no secret, the real estate market is changing. People need choices and they're looking for guidance.
We're helping people find home, something that we've all come to cherish over the last couple of years. This is your story. We're just here to make it happen. Are you ready for your best chapter yet?